that's the $1 million question too. And as a marketer, sometimes I'm so shocked. I'm like, this is going to be the best post ever. And then it's like, where's everybody? So it's a $1 million question, but I will tell you, it's kind of fun. Like looking at our top 3 posts of the year when I was preparing for this conversation, the top post of the year for our entire Lindus Construction Facebook page is dogs. It was National Dog Day. And I just put an email to our employees and I'm like, hey guys, cute dogs, send me pictures. Let's get this on social media. And that was our best post of the whole year. And I could take the employees, and a couple of their employees even had their dogs on Lindus swag. So that was super cute. I've also had a lot of success. Our second biggest post of the year too was our COO, Andy Lindus. His son, Noah, just started working for us. He just graduated college, so he's in the field a lot. And there was a picture of Andy and Noah together on a job site, and we're family owned. So now it's our 3rd generation of the family now working for the company. That photo went gangbusters. People love seeing that the family is engaged with the business they own and run. So that was fantastic too. And then our 3rd most popular post of the year was one of our salespeople. And we always encourage our salespeople to like be involved in the communities they live and work in. And he found some ducks on the side of the road that their mom had just been ran over. So he pulled over, rescued the ducks, took them to a shelter to get rehabbed. It was just the sweetest thing. So people want to see that you're engaged where you live and work. So it's not even always home improvement posts that do the best for a home improvement company.